Hello again, Dirt Detectives. It's Teresa from Dodge, and today we're going to investigate something amazing. We're going to learn about how dirt and soil are made. This is soil. It's dirt. Can you spot rocks in it? How about plants, those ones that are growing out of the soil? We could do a squeeze test to see if there's water in the soil, and then we could move the soil around to see how much air there is. But what about the rest? What is all of that brown stuff? One of the things in soil are once living things, like these dead leaves and the logs. But it could also be other dead plants or even dead animals. Plants and animals die regularly. So why isn't the ground piled up with all the things that have died? Where do they go? They're right under your feet, in the ground. All those dead things turn into the brown stuff we see in the soil. But how does that happen? That's where decomposers come in. Their job is to break things into chemicals that they were made from. Those chemicals go back into the soil where they get used by new plants. What do decomposers look like? Some are large enough that we can easily see them. Mushrooms, fungi, are one of the things that break other things apart. Another are lichens. We often find them on rocks, but some kinds of lichens grow on trees. They make chemicals that eat the wood, breaking it into smaller pieces. You already know this next decomposer. Worms. Worms eat leaves, and what they poop out is soil. A couple of other decomposers that we see are small things like pill bugs, they're also called roly-polies, and millipedes. They chew up leaves and other plant materials, leaving behind small pieces that other decomposers break down. If you look at soil with a magnifying glass, you might spot some tiny animals. These are decomposers too. And then there are the very smallest of decomposers, bacteria. We can't see them without using a microscope, but there are millions of them around us all the time, and they are busy all the time breaking down dead things. Now, decomposers aren't only found in the woods. They're everywhere, and we figured out how to use them. Do you have a container like this at school? It's where you put food scraps. They're also called organics. Keeping organics out of trash is important, because do you know what the organics get turned into? Compost. And guess what compost is? It's another name for a kind of soil. Compost is something we add to soil to help plants grow. So we grow food in soil, then we take the food scraps and turn them back into soil to grow new food. It's recycling. Composting is something you could do at home. You and your grown-ups can do some research and learn all about composting. Check to see if it's okay to set up a compost bin where you live. So, Dirt Detectives, now you know that the brown stuff in soil is the once living things that have been broken down. And if you do composting at school or home, you're making soil. You're not only dirt detectives, you're dirt makers. Thanks for watching another Dodge Distance Learning video. Bye!